Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I got here. I have the XREXS, and that's the brand, but it's a handheld vacuum cleaner. But we're going to give this thing a shot. I actually got another vacuum cleaner, a handheld vacuum cleaner, a few weeks ago, but I realized once I put it somewhere, I would need one upstairs and one downstairs. So here we go. This is for downstairs, the other one's for upstairs. So we're going to check this one out here. This says wireless vacuum cleaner. Doesn't really say much. Model is H5006. There's a barcode if it means anything to anybody. So car, home, and office. Let's check it out. So the house is fairly clean, so I won't be able to clean anything. Cleaners came today. But we'll unbox it and we'll try the suction and see how it works. So this is what the box looks like. So we'll take it out here. I'll take all the pieces out and then we'll kind of go through what they all are. Just because that's a lot of stuff. Okay, empty box. Box here. Okay. So obviously, this is going to be the vacuum itself. It's fairly light. Oh, because it doesn't have the thing on it, but see, it's got this tape. Or the last one I did had tape over there too, just over the button to make sure it doesn't go on in shipping, I assume. So, yep, there's the button. This one looks cool. Okay, but this is going to be the charging stand, is my guess. Yes. See, I guess when you do it, it'll line up the little dots to those dots. Somehow, this way. Wait, where were the two dots? Right there. Oh, that's it. It just goes in like that. So you see the dots will line up. Okay, but let's put this down here. Let's see what this is. This is probably the canister. It's going to have to collect the dirt somewhere. Hey, it is. Looks like it comes with a nice little filter. Almost looks like a carbon filter. Maybe it is. It seems nicer filter than most other ones. So we'll put this one on here. And I already figured this out. Push the two little buttons and it snaps on. So there we go. And that's where it'll suck from. It comes with a charger here. If I can open this up. It's going to be a USB to USB-C. You can see that. So I'm guessing this is going to take... Oops. It works. Oh yeah, see, USB-C is in the back there. So that's where it's going to charge there. Or if you want to charge it directly, or you plug it into the charging base, which I'll do. And then it even comes with a little nugget. I don't know what these things are called. Charging blocks? Very cool. So it comes with a nice little USB charging block. So let's put that in there. I'm going to plug it in right now. It's a fairly short wire. Oh, I'll almost be able to get it high enough for you to see. I just have a very far down outlet. But I'm guessing once I put it in, look at that. Oh, it lights up to know you're charging. So very cool. So now it is charging. This comes out. Let's see what else. Let's see what all the other pieces are, and then we'll go through it all. So let's open this up. And we have a cleaning brush. This is going to be to clean out the filter and stuff. If I open it up here, so once we get the filter out of here, if there's gook that's still left in there, I can brush it out. It's pretty long. It gets all the way down in there. It's pretty clean at the moment, since we haven't even done anything. Oops. And then, oh, let me put this back together here. See why they had that button on the shipping. Okay, and then we have this tip here. So this goes in here. So you can vacuum like that if you have big stuff, crumbs and whatnot on the floor, or you can use this. This will get into some crevices with a little brush on it. You see it's got the little brush. Or, I've seen these before, it flips back, and here you can get in between the seats of the car and stuff. You can really dig it down in there to get it far. So that's kind of cool. Actually, let's just turn it on and see what we got here. Got pretty decent suction. I mean, it's not going to suck my face away. Oh, there's a little higher. That'll suck my face pretty good. So it's got the 2 speeds, it looks like. So that's kind of cool. And it's got some suction. It'll suck up stuff. What's this here? It looks like this is just another extra filter, maybe. Oh, it comes with a lot of filters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 more filters. So you have 9 extra. So as they get dirty, you don't just have to clean them off. You can just throw them away. You got 9 more to go for a while. So it's kind of cool. So let me take off this And check out this. I just noticed here on the back of the charger. So you have the charging base. Look, you could stick the tool right on there. So it has, so everything stores right there. So you have everything all in one convenient place, which is nice, and you don't lose the stuff. I guess there's nowhere to store the extras of these. Yeah, I can't really stick them down in there, but so just stick these in the brush in a little baggie, maybe tie it on the back or something. But it's pretty cool the way it stores the brush on there, so you have everything you need to clean with. So let's see if I can pick something up here. I do have some gook right here on the counter. Can you see it right? There's some dirt. Let's see. Picked it right up. So very easy. Well, I'm sort of a moron because when I moved it back up again, the video stopped. But we're back again. So this is it here. It's awesome. Works good. The XREXS brand, and it's the model H506. Very cool. So thumbs up from me. This was the manual here. It comes with that. Basically explains everything that I went through. I kind of looked through it a minute ago because it was recording, it wasn't recording even though it was blah, 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 blah. But it's awesome. Thumbs up from me. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.